Lucia.
And today marks our last cooking video. But before we start cooking, we just wanted to take a moment to say how much we've enjoyed making these videos for you guys.
We hope we've helped you all so much to make food that's healthy and delicious.
So let's start making our last recipe. We're going to be making chicken, veggie, and rice stir fry.
But before we get started, we need to make sure our area is disinfected, we wash our hands, and we pull up our hair.
For ingredients, we will need 1 cup of brown rice,
2 medium celery stalks,
2 medium carrots,
1 small bell pepper,
6 ounces of boneless chicken pieces,
2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of low-sodium soy sauce,
1 tablespoon of brown sugar,
1 tablespoon of cornstarch,
and 2 tablespoons of canola oil.
For materials, we will need a cutting board,
a sharp knife,
a vegetable peeler,
a frying pan,
and measuring cups and measuring spoon. Cook rice following package directions. Set aside, cover to keep warm. While rice is cooking, make veggie mixture.
Chop carrots and celery fine, then rinse and mince your bell pepper. You can use other vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, or even pineapple. Before we start making this stir fry, make sure you have your parents' permission.
Have my permission.
In a small bowl, stir together your soy sauce, brown sugar, and cornstarch. If using chicken, remove any skin, then cut your chicken into small pieces and set aside. Make sure while cutting chicken to wash your hands before and after, and to clean your surface so all of the germs go away.
In a medium skillet over medium-high heat, heat oil, add chicken, and spices of your choice, such as black pepper, salt, garlic, and ginger.
Cook and stir occasionally until slightly brown and starts to cook through for about 2 minutes. Add chopped veggies, stir frequently. Cook until veggies are tender and chicken is completely cooked but not dry, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add your soy sauce mixture, bring to a boil, then reduce your heat. Simmer until sauce is slightly thickened, about 2 minutes. Serve over your warm brown rice. Now that we have finished making it, it's time to try it. Really good. Thank you all so much for watching this cooking series. Stay safe and healthy.